So hello fellow coin collectors, how you going today? My name is Glenn and today we are just going to talk about how to start a coin collection. So basically, if you've never collected coins before, what you do, I have my wife's purse here and here's my little bag. Some people say I'm a bit gay, but there's nothing wrong with being gay. Anyway, so what you do is you get all the change out, get all the coins out, and a lot of people really don't know what they got. And a lot of people really don't know what is actually on the coins. So you dump all the coins out, also the banknotes as well. So there's a $5, any more? More $5. So on a $10 banknote, and you go through them. So do I have any more coins? Yeah, I have another one here. Any more? No, I have some more here as well. So that's basically it. And what you need to do is, in Australia we call this noodling, in which you noodle through the coins. I don't know how I got that name, but all you're doing is looking through it. So here we have a 2013 $2 coin, and what we're looking for is, in the $2, we're probably looking for any low mint coins. So the year 1990, 2000, 1993, 98, 2011, and any of the coloured coins. So this one here is a high mintage coin. Can't remember offhand how many are minted, but I know it's not one that I'm looking for. And it has a Aboriginal outer, so we're not interested in that coin. So put that down there. Oh, this coin here, for me, 2016. This, I know 2016 had commemorative coins, but this seems to be in good grade, so I'll keep that one. Put it over there. Here we have a commemorative coin, 1998. It's in pretty good condition, so I'd actually keep that, even though it's about, I think it's about 25 million minted. This one, as you can see, it's a little bit off center. This is pretty normal for the 2001 commemoration of 100 years of Australian Federation, and it has the original coat of arms on it. And yeah, it's in pretty worn condition, but I keep those ones anyway. Okay, another coin, looks in pretty good condition, 2016. I keep all 2016 coins. And here we have a Federation. So 2016, we had two coins. We had the one with the normal Elizabeth head, and the other one with the commemoration of 50 years of decimal currency. And on this side, just a normal coat of arms. And I keep both of those coins. Worry about the banknotes later. Oh, we have this one. I think it's about 44 million minted. Is that right? Oh, I can't remember. This is pretty circulated, pretty worn. So I don't keep those ones. They go back into circulation. Look at this one. This one's pretty beat up. So this is probably in very good condition, really not worth keeping. 76, yeah, high mintage. So I wouldn't actually keep that one, even though it's an old coin. They're pretty common. 20-cent coins, 76, high mintage. No. Here we have a 99, pretty common. No. Here we have another 76, 77. If they were in better condition, I'll keep them, but no, they're in pretty bad condition. Here we have a 2004, so this is a small head. If it's a large head, I would actually keep it, but I wouldn't keep that. 5 cents. And how you actually get to know what coins you're looking for is you actually need to learn it. So you need to get a coin book, look online and see what you want to find. But a lot of things you can't actually find, so all coins have errors. Doesn't matter what coin it is, what year, what period, day of errors. Doesn't matter the country as well. So in your country, you can always look for errors. So 2013, 2010. No, I wouldn't actually keep those. Let's see for errors as well. Nope. 2010, 2005. In 2005 you can get some with, in 2006 you can get them with problems with the minting process. The lettering starts to disappear. They're the coins you want. But these two I wouldn't keep. Here we go. 1973. So can't remember. Wait, I'm just gonna go look that up. Actually, I'll put it aside and I'll look it up later. Okay, let's keep going. Another Federation 50-cent coin. As I said, I keep those. 10 cent, 94, no. 2009, 20-cent coin, no. 2010, yeah, pretty standard mintage, it's circulated. Any double bars, So behind the emu's head, we want to look for 2 bars. Looks a bit suspicious on that. I'm going to have to put that aside and check it. Also, 2010, so 2001, 2010 you can have a bubble there. That's 2001, so I won't have it. No, 2006, no. 2000, 10 cent coin, so you can get a mule for the $1 coin, which has this 10 cent obverse instead of the $1 obverse of that was issued that year. So here, 2010. And in case you're in another country, yes, all these coins actually circulate, including the 50-cent coin. They're actually quite common, unlike in the United States and some other countries. So Hong Kong, the $10 coin is disappearing. I go there every year, so I'll see it. And the $10 note is actually quite common. And also, with this 5 cents, some years, I think from 2007 to 2012, you can get what they call a small and large SD. I like to classify it based on the whether it has a line up here. As you can see, the line up there, and the older ones actually don't have a line up there. So see, it doesn't. This one's pretty damaged. So this is post-mint damage, so it's not worth anything. Okay, $1 coins, 99, commemorative coin, pretty common, beat up, not worth keeping. 2005, one of my least favourite coins, not worth keeping, high mintage. Okay, $1 coin, 1984, the highest minted $1 coin. As you can see, it's quite well circulated. And that is how you'll get majority of $1 coins. So 1994, not the year that we wanted. 93 is what we're looking for. There were no 1991 $2 coins issued for circulation. So if you get any, they're out of a uncirculated pack or a proof set. 2005, I think it was about 40 million minted. So really, anything wrong with that? No, we didn't check this $1 coin for cuds. Especially the rabbit's ear up here is actually quite common. PJ's Coin Capers, his channel actually has some videos on that, so you should watch those if you're wondering what they are. Here's another $2, 2004, another high minted coin. 2014, no, not worth collecting. So let's have a look at the banknotes. We have, let's say this. This next generation has been in circulation 2 years and it's quite a common banknote. The older ones seem to have disappeared, which is not uncommon because this one's pretty pretty much only last about 2 years. But you're saying, oh, this has been in circulation for 2 years, though. Yes, the design has, but maybe this banknote's only been in circulation for a few months because they would still have a stock of these banknotes in storage, and they release them as need be. So this one is circulated DA. See up on DA as well? Oh no, DH. So you're looking for your next serial numbers and any errors in the banknote. So any errors? Nope. Nope. And the last one was the $10 banknote. So any errors? No. So this one's been in circulation for a year. And the older banknote is actually still pretty common. So CE17. 17 stands for 2017. So I'll go and check these other coins and we'll get back. So I've got my trusty catalogue with me. So this one is not a double bar 2010, but you can get these rotated. So if you rotate it like this, north-south axis, this is usually, the 50 is usually this way. So you got 50, so it's rotated. So that's 45, 90, probably 12, no, 11, probably 11.6 or something degrees. That's a rotation. These two I keep. Okay, 1973 is 23.35 million coins. Yeah, I'll probably keep that and put it in a lot on eBay. I usually sell those, so that's okay. Okay, 50-cent coin. Okay, 50-cent coin is, what's this one? Commemorative. There was 7 million made, so keep that. Low mintage. Not as low as the coins of Tonga, or the earliest Australian coins. Okay, 2016, 25.5 million. Yeah, I'll keep those. I sell them as a lot. Okay, 10-cent coin from 2016 had 42 million coins. It's really 2017 you want to keep. And I don't keep any of those banknotes. Oh, and this $1. Let's have a look. How many were minted? Okay, oh, 21.6 million, but still in pretty good condition. Could probably sell it for like, I don't know, $2 or $3. I quite like this design anyway. It's traditional Aboriginal design, so awesome. So that is how you get started with coin collecting. Just look through coins that you get through change, and you just keep the best ones, and you get rid of the rest. So thank you for watching my video. Please give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out. Subscribe to my channel. Check out my links below. There is a Discord forum I welcome you to, so we can talk about coins. And also there is my social media and my eBay. I do sell stuff, and I sell a lot of Australian coins on eBay as well. So thank you, and have an awesome coin collecting time, people. Bye bye.